So the reason for this video is to show you how to make Excel work for you. Before I get into that, what I will say is if you do not have Excel, what you can do is go to the web, and it allows you to use it for free and edit documents on the web. If you do not have Excel and you try to download it and you don't have an account, it will not let you edit anything. So it would only let you view. With that being said, I have it open in the internet just so that you can see it that way. So what you want to do is create a blank form. This is my blank form. So basically what we're going to do is make Excel do the math for us. What I have here is my blank document. This is for quotes for insurance, which is what I do. So the only numbers I would have to fill out would be these total quote amounts here, and then everything else will be done for me once I enter the values into those cells. So what we're going to do first is enter the values in. I'm going to go over here to employer share, which is 50% of whatever this number is. So we'll click here. We'll figure out what column and cell that total amount is going to be in. So it will be C7. So what you'll put here is equals C7 slash, which is divided by 2. Enter. This will be equals C8 divided by 2 equals C9 divided by 2 equals C10 divided by 2. Here we're going to divide this number by 4. So what we're going to put here is similar. We're going to go equals G, or we can use C. If we use C, we'll have to divide it by 4 because we're doing weekly. If we use G, we will have to divide this number by 2 because it's already divided by 2 from this number. So just to make it easy, I'm just going to use C to go by that same number. So C7 divided by 4, C8, equals C8 divided by 4 equals C9 divided by 4 equals C10 divided by 4. Okay. This is where total monthly premium at 50%, that number would go here. So basically it's going to be all of these numbers combined. So what we're going to do is we're going to put equals G7 plus G8 plus G9, plus G10. Then we're going to take this number here and times it by 12. So equals C15 times 12. Okay. What I have here is just a different number that I figure out with other quotes, so we don't need anything there or in these columns. So now what I'm going to do, just to show it as an example, is I'm just going to enter some fake values here so that you can see your cells working for you. So we're going to put it at, let's say, 500. Boom. 200. 100. Let's say 50. So now you can see that these numbers are automatically calculated for us. So you can use division by using the slash. Multiplication would be your star, and then of course your plus and minus. And I believe that is it. And then you just save that document, and then every time you go back into it, your number equations are already put in, and all you have to enter are these, and it saves a lot of time.